In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your password in Gmail with security question. First, we need to open the Google account recovery page. You can do this by typing in the URL into your browser. Once you're on the page, you will see several options for recovering your account. This is the starting point for regaining access to your Gmail account. It is crucial to navigate here first, as it sets the foundation for the recovery process. Next, enter your Gmail address in the designated field. This should be the email address associated with the account you want to recover. Be sure to double-check for any typos to avoid unnecessary delays. After entering your email, click on the Next button. This action signals to Google that you want to proceed with the recovery process. Now you will see the option that says Forgot Password. Click on that link. This is an essential step as it prompts Google to initiate the password recovery process. It's important to remember that this step confirms you need help accessing your account. By taking this action, you are making your request clear to the system. At this point, you will be asked to verify your identity. Google provides several methods for doing this. You might see options such as your recovery phone number, recovery email, or even a prompt sent to a device where you're already signed in. Each of these methods helps Google confirm that you are indeed the rightful owner of the account. Choose the method that works best for you. If you select your recovery phone number, you will receive a text message or call with a verification code. Enter that code into the provided field. This step is crucial because it creates an additional layer of security. It ensures that even if someone knows your email, they cannot access it without your phone. Alternatively, if you choose your recovery email, check your inbox for a verification email from Google. Click on the link provided in that email to proceed. This is another effective way to verify your identity. It ensures that the recovery process is secure and that only you can access your account. If you are presented with the option of entering a previous password you remember, do so if applicable. This can sometimes expedite the verification process. Remember, Google uses this as a means to confidently verify that the account belongs to you. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear next. This could involve answering additional security questions or confirming your recovery method. Each instruction is designed to guide you through the recovery process smoothly. Stay attentive to what is asked, as this will ensure you do not miss any critical steps. Once you have successfully verified your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before for this account. This is important because a strong password enhances your account's security. Always aim for a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it more secure. Finally, after creating your new password, sign in with it. This action confirms that you have regained access to your account. You should feel relieved knowing that you can now get back to using your Gmail without issues. Remember to keep your recovery options updated to avoid future difficulties.